Hey y'all, welcome back to Living Gratefully, and welcome if you're new here. I need to clean up this cabinet here and make room for all this stuff that's sitting on top of it. I can't even see my little black clock, so it's time to clean this off and then straighten up the inside of the cabinet. And I have a little time crunch because we're having friends over to watch the Super Bowl, and it was a last minute invite, and this is going to force me to get this done real quick before they come over, so let's get started. This is the large clear drawer from Home Edit. You may have seen it when I bought a few of these in my recent Walmart haul video. Our guests likely won't even notice if I left it messy like this. It's not like they come into this room. Usually we're in the kitchen, dining, and living room, and this is my office. But anyway, I'm cleaning it for me. It's been like this for a few weeks when we carried a bunch of stuff from upstairs down here that really belongs here in the office. Ask me how it got upstairs in the first place in a minute. I want to try to organize this in a way to get everything into the cabinet. At the end of this video, I'll show you how I made my Valentine cookies that we had with our guests. Okay, so you want to know how I got upstairs? Well, when we reorganized and decorated the office, a lot of things went upstairs in that extra room and that back. If you've seen my videos before, you know we have that extra room that just has a lot of stuff in it. And we just said we would deal with it later, and now it's later. So did you see that video? If not, I'll have that linked below in the description box, and here's the thumbnail. But that one was in August of 2022, and yeah, it may have contributed to some of my back and hip problems because I was moving furniture around by myself. No one really knows exactly what happened to my back, hip, and feet, but I'm trying to follow doctor's orders now, so you'll see me keeping the weight off of my hip due to some hip fractures that I have, and so I'm using the wheelchair and the cane. This is much better, and it's not perfect inside, but it all fit and it looks nice with the large clear drawers. I'll have those linked in the description box if you want to check them out. You can get them from Amazon or Walmart.
Long time gone, turning heads left, right.
have a lot of my old Bible studies in here, as well as some keepsakes from the kids' events. Taylor played soccer in high school, and Drew was in the drama program.
You got something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I was a man of my own will.
This is one of his playbooks. He was one of the Three Musketeers, and that was a great show.
It's been 2 years. I'm only a shadow of the good on me now. A breeze in my ear. Cause you know I cannot see no to you. Feeling like home. But should it be like this? Locked up in your dome. You know I fight for you. What do I? Every time you call my name. What do I? You're whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you.
Now I'll clean and dust the cabinet, and next I'll show you a sweet gift I received in the mail.
What do I? We can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence. I find myself apologizing when you've started it. Why? Under a spell. I really wonder, how did it come to this? Go see my friends, but then I realize they're all your friends. Is this
Scott always brings in packages and the mail, and he said we got something from Amazon, and I could not think of what it could be, but it was a surprise. My friend Swati sent me this little surprise package, and I want to open it with y'all and share it with you. Of course, I already opened the Amazon package, but then when I saw that this was from her, I thought I would save it and open the box with you. It is so cute. This was such a good idea. I had just had to share it with you so you can have an idea to send someone a smile through the mail.
what do I?
And I'll see if I can find it on Amazon and link it below so you can go straight to it and order it for someone that you love.
And we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide.
Thank you, Swati. I love it, and I'm going to put it in here in my office because it's just so cute. I'm working remote while I'm hobbling around, trying to focus on healing. I'm thankful I can work remote during this time.
Been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else.
So I really worked hard on these, y'all. No, not really. Break and bakes. Actually, you don't even have to break them. They come right out of the box. Then I put buttercream icing to make a sandwich and then sprinkles around the edge. Super easy and yummy, and they're a hit with the adults as much as with the kids. And I used the red sprinkles from the Christmas multi-pack that I had on hand, so I didn't have to buy anything.
And we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody.
So I'm hoping to post this video on Valentine's Day. So I'm curious what kind of plans you have for Valentine's Day. Our women's Bible study is on Tuesdays. So Scott already celebrated with me. He made some delicious steak for us, and we really enjoyed that.
Can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the maze, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game. And we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna live We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. Cause what we got is timeless, we so possess.
The last time I made cookies like this, I think it was on a short video during Christmas time. My friend over at Uniquely Lisa is where I got the idea. Thank you, Lisa. And I was holding the cookie and sprinkling the sprinkles, and they were going everywhere. And a sweet commenter gave me the tip to put the sprinkles in the bowl. So you can see I'm doing that now. So thank you. I do read all of y'all's comments.
Cover this up, you're already stuck. Oh, before long.
After this busy day of organizing and cooking, our friends came over and it's time to have some fun. The guys went and picked up Chinese food for us to enjoy. Then we hung out and watched the game. What did y'all do for the Super Bowl? Did your team win? Did you eat a bunch of food? Did you have to cook? Did you cook a lot of food? I'll see you in my next video or in the comments below. I love y'all. Bye.